Today we are going to see job openings module in Zoho Recruit. For job openings module, we can update the job openings manually or we can import a bulk from your desktop. And we also have the sourcing summary, job details and timelines which can be seen under the job openings module. We can publish the job openings in different job boards and associate candidates to that particular job openings through Zoho Recruit. First, let's see how to create a job opening. For that, we have to click on the plus symbol and fill all the details with this is a editable page layout. We can also choose from job templates for a standard template for particular job position in the organization which is predefined in the Zoho Recruit. Here we'll give all the necessary details like job description, requirements, benefits, and we can attach any attachments are there for this particular job opening. And finally, we can save and publish on a later basis to the job boards, or you can save and publish on job boards like Naukri, which is a paid job board. We also have a free job boards like Monster, Indeed, and we have a social networks like LinkedIn and Twitter. We can also publish in career site. Now I'll show you where are the job boards available in Zoho Recruit. For that, we have to move to setups. Under job board hub, we have job boards. Here we have different kinds of job boards like paid, sponsor, free, and social networks. We can choose based on your requirement. We can also filter based on the country and we can post the particular job opening in these job boards by activating that job board. Now let's move to the job openings module and see how we'll be publishing one job opening. For that, we have to click on the job opening that the organization is having currently, and in the right top corner you have a publish option where you will be publishing on different job boards. Now we have other method for uploading the job openings is we can import the job openings in a bulk. For that, we have to navigate to job openings module and click on import. Here we can import the job openings in a bulk. Now, let's see what is the overview of the job details and the sourcing summary. For example, if we take sales manager role, this is the overview of the job opening where we can see all the details of the job opening, address information, description, and we can also see the sourcing summary on the left side. Once you click on the sourcing summary, you will see the overview of how many days it is open, how many candidates were associated with this particular job opening, what is the expense, how many interviews have been conducted and submitted to hiring manager, and number of hires. We can see a graphical representation of the candidate source. If you have published on any other job boards, we can see under job boards below. Next, we'll see how we'll be associating the candidates to a particular job opening. For that, we have to click on this plus symbol and select a particular employee candidate and click on associate now. Here you can associate this to that particular job opening where this profile will move to this particular job opening called sales manager role. Here in the associated candidates list, you can see all the candidates that are associated with the sales manager role. The other way to source the candidates is under job openings tab, we can select the sales manager role and here we have a tool called Zia. It is an artificial intelligence tool where it will match the candidates with this particular job description. We can quickly view the details of the particular candidate and we can see the details, skills, resume. If this fits the sales manager role, you can quickly associate this candidates to sales manager role. Like that, using this Zia, we have 20 matches for this particular role. This is how you will be associating candidates to that particular job opening. Hope you like the section. Thank you.